Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today I want to talk about how to fix 3 common problems you can always face on a spinner dryer of a twin tab washing machine without owning it. The first one is noisy squeaking sound and how to deal with it. You need to have a T-tip screwdriver and an 8mm socket. Open the back cover. As you look inside to the dry motor, on top of it there's 2 bolts fixed to the coupler. Check the size that can use to loosen the top one only. This one is using an 8mm socket. So after removing the bolt, hold the spinner, steer it back and forth. You can also lift it up and down to make it loose. The seal is too old and very loose, it needs to be replaced. With a T-tip screwdriver, open the top head by loosening all the screws all around it. And the other one under this cap, take a flathead small screwdriver, pry it up, and now you can see the screw is sitting underneath there. Check if there is no other one located somewhere, because these machines are unique. On the side, lift it up here. Hold and tilt it backward to open. And now the dryer or spinner is now exposed. Remove it and the shaft was so dry. You see the seal after removing it? Take your flathead screwdriver, big enough to pass through the hole and big enough to scoop grease. After this groove, here, there is a metal sleeve ring right here. Listen to this metal tapping sound. Check if the seal is not cracked. If it is cracked, you should go buy a gasket, make a silicone, clean up the surface around the crack, easy to fix that. With a flathead screwdriver, scoop grease and fill up the groove before the metal sleeve ring, and the squeaking sound will be dead, just like that. Let's talk about problem number 2. What will commonly make the motor to die? If the seal is old enough to unable to hold water pressure, trying to seep around the shaft, and also if it's cracked, letting water leaking on top of the motor, that may end up shortening the windings. Number 2, a broken brake activating lever attached on the lead that pulls a string to loosen the brakes. If it breaks, it will fail to deactivate the brake when the lid is closed. You may not be able to notice it when turning on the machine, so the motor will not spin until it heats up and then the windings down. How to put back the dryer? Use your index finger as a guide to fill the hole entrance. Touch the dryer shaft, lower your hand with the dryer until you fill the hole entrance. Slide away your finger and the shaft will drop aligned into the hole. When you are done, use your left hand to turn the dryer to align the shaft hole. Fix back the coupling bolt. Do not over tighten it. Okay, let's talk about problem number 3. If it delays to spin, this is caused by an old loose stretched leg springs and cracked or broken old sleeve rubbers that stiffens the legs springs, or if one of the coupling bolt get lost. As you can see, this one is missing right here. If the springs and sleeve rubbers are too old, if you check inside the machine right here, you'll see that the dryer was hitting or bouncing up and down trying to spin. This was actually caused by the lost bolt. So it was touching right here, as you can see, and you will start to experience this type of sound, jiggling and knocking before it catches the speed, and will also cause the seal to crack. And if this hole becomes big, will let water out again and damage the motor. So one of my Nigerian audience asked me how to solve a squeak noise sound problem caused by dryer. I gave him my WhatsApp number and we started talking, and he shared the videos of his machine. I saw them. I also made the video to share to him with that old similar machine he saw on the video, guiding him how to solve the problem. He did everything as I said. He was successful. So this is his after problem solved video. That's how this video was made.